In this video, I'll show you how to set up smart content for CTAs in Hubspot so you can display different calls to action based on who's viewing your page. First, log into your Hubspot account. From the top menu, go to Marketing, then look for Lead Capture and click on CTAs. If you don't see it right away, just use the search bar at the top and type CTAs to find the tool quickly. Once you're inside the CTA tool, either create a new CTA or open an existing one that you want to make smart. After opening the CTA, click on the Actions menu and choose the option to create a smart version of your CTA. Now you can set the rules for when each version of your CTA appears. For example, you can show one CTA to new visitors and a different CTA to returning visitors, contacts, or people from specific countries or lists. Customize the design and text for each variation so it matches the audience you're targeting. When you're done, save and publish your CTA. After that, you can embed this smart CTA on your pages, blog posts, or landing pages, and HubSpot will automatically show the right version to the right visitors. Keep in mind that smart CTAs are only available on certain HubSpot plans, so you'll need an eligible subscription to use this feature. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped you, subscribe for more quick HubSpot tips, and I'll see you in the next video.